Welcome to India Assignment Help, where students turn their ambitions into results. For more than 15 years, we have helped students with academic guidance, mentorship, and personalized training, which has turned students into scholars. Here you will find insights from the finest professionals from each field who bring their experiences and translate into lessons that all students can learn something from. Every episode, one expert, one lesson, and one step closer to the student you want to become. Let's dive in.
Breaking news: IELTS exam co-owner IDP Education shares record hit low after flagging weaker 2027 earnings. What happened exactly? Is IELTS in crisis? 1250 jobs gone and 900 test centers of IDP education closed. Why? So before we understand what is the situation of IELTS, let's understand what IDP is. IDP is an Australian company which does two main things. One is student placement in international universities and second is English testing. So through IDP, students get admission into international universities located in UK, Australia, Canada, etc. And in turn, universities pay a commission to IDP. And second is English testing, that is IELTS is co-owned by IDP along with British Council and Cambridge. And IELTS is an exam that is used by a lot of people, students for migration visas, work and study into international countries. So you can understand that if more people are going to abroad and taking IELTS, IDP earnings will increase. So if we have to answer the question that is IELTS in crisis, the answer is no. Because IELTS, the exam is not in crisis, but the business behind it is in crisis for sure. Because the demands for IELTS has decreased and so the earnings of IDP has decreased. So there are four main reasons why demand for IELTS had decreased. One of the reasons is tighter visa and immigration rules. Countries like Australia, UK, Canada has made it difficult for the students to get visa approvals now. These rules are stricter, the checks are stricter. So you can understand that when a student does not get a visa approval, the need for IELTS becomes zero. Thus, the demand for IELTS in the market is getting reduced because fewer students are getting their visa approvals and thus fewer students are going to abroad. And thus, the demand for IELTS and the earning of IDP has decreased. The second reason is the volume of international students. This is somewhere connected to the first reason, but the volume of international students in these international universities, if we look at statistics, have dropped by 25%, which actually depicts that why the demand of IELTS have decreased. The third reason is unprecedented policy changes and negative talks. After the elections, it has been seen in many international countries that the governments are talking negative about the international students and they have imposed stricter rules on and also have put caps on the amount of students that would only be allowed to come in the international universities. There have been a lot of visa revocations that we have been seeing in these international countries. So all of these negative talks have impacted both the government and the inflow of the students from different countries, and that's why the demand of IELTS has decreased. The fourth reason is economic uncertainty. It was seen before that the families were willing to send their children to abroad with a wish that they will have a stable future. But now, even after elections, it has been seen that there are negative talks. Also, looking at the jobs and employment statistics, now the Indian families have turned negative regarding the stability of their children in abroad. So now it has been seen that families are postponing the plans of moving their children to abroad, which has led to the decrease in the demand for IELTS. So what you can learn from this entire situation? So the exam IELTS is not disappearing. It is still required for visas. It is still required if you want to study, work, migrate to international countries. But The demand has decreased for IELTS because now the destination countries that you want to go to are letting in fewer students. So I hope now you must be able to understand the exact reason behind the reduction in the share prices of IDP education and the decrease in their last year earnings. I hope you find the video useful. I will keep coming up with new interesting facts and news every week. Please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.